On opening your 650-watt fuel cell power module package from Intelligent Energy, you can expect to find the 650-watt fuel cell power module, the hydrogen feed hose with quick connecting fitting, your user manual, a lightweight pressure regulator, a hybrid battery, and interfacing cables. If you ordered a hydrogen cylinder, this will be packed separately. Check that your components match this list, as well as the images in the user manual. Please make sure that you read the user manual before integrating the FCPM. The user manual includes lots of useful information and troubleshooting, as well as a step-by-step guide designed to make the integration process simple and straightforward. The fuel cell power module consists of the control box, which is the brain of the module, housing the control electronics and power management. This is where power is output, valves are controlled, and the health of the fuel cell is monitored. The fuel cell stack, which is the heart of the module, converting oxygen and hydrogen into electrical power. The only byproduct is a small amount of water vapor. Hydrogen valves are integrated to save weight. The fan cowling, containing the fan that draws air through the fuel cell. It also works to draw ambient air through the stack to cool it. And the hydrogen inlet tube, which carries hydrogen from the regulator into the 650-watt FCPM. You will also find various interface cables. The customer interface cable is used for integration with your flight controller. It allows you to monitor remaining fuel, hybrid battery voltage, health of the system, and any error codes. The lightweight pressure regulator, which regulates high-pressure compressed hydrogen of 300 bar down to fuel cell operating pressure of half a bar. It also has a pressure transducer, so you always have an accurate reading of the remaining fuel, a pressure relief valve, and high-pressure burst disc for safety. The hybrid battery, which covers peaks of up to 1 kilowatt and is recharged by the fuel cell. It also supplies a small amount of emergency flight time if needed. The hydrogen cylinder, where compressed hydrogen gas is stored. Size and volume can vary depending on user application. Once the lightweight pressure regulator and hydrogen cylinder have been connected, there will be 2 connections between the cylinder and the FCPM. The signal cable, which monitors your fuel levels, and the hydrogen connector both connect into the same side of the FCPM. The battery plugs into the other side, as does the power out lead, which connects to the UAV. For full installation details and a step-by-step guide, refer to the user manual. If you have any further questions about your product, please get in touch with our dedicated product support team. Our contact details can also be found in the user manual.